You won't believe what this Wi-Fi testing tool can reveal. From network details to hidden vulnerabilities, everything is exposed in real time. Let's start. Download and install NetSec Lab and open it up, and you'll see the loading progress bar appear on the screen. After finishes loading, you'll land on the main screen, which has a ton of options for different attack modules and tools. Now, to get started with your Wi-Fi security testing, find and tap on the Exploitation Toolkit. So go ahead and select it. On the next screen, you'll be presented with a list of interference queries and Wi-Fi scanning options. You can also toggle unauthorized access to simulate deauthentication packet tests. Go ahead and tap on Start Authorized Test. The app will start scanning nearby Wi-Fi networks and gather important info about their security settings. You'll see tasks like scanning hidden SIDs and checking network protocols like WPA3 and WPA2 being completed. Once the scan is done, the app will show you all nearby networks. You'll see details like network names, SIDs, signal strength, and encryption types. Now, from the scan results, select any of the Wi-Fi networks you want to test. Toggle on the Unauthorized Access option to simulate a deauthentication attack. Tap the View Summary button to get a detailed report of your findings and network vulnerabilities. Now, head over to the Audit Log section. Here, you can monitor your progress in real time. You'll see live updates on the tasks being performed, like checking network security, identifying connected devices, and performing detailed scans. Now, move to the Countermeasures section. Here, you can select various options to strengthen your network's defenses. Enable brute force attacks to prevent bot-driven attacks, or select Dictionary Attack, Token Leak to safeguard against social engineering vulnerabilities. After selection, just tap on MITM Attack button below. From here, you'll want to carefully select the appropriate options based on your testing needs. Tap on the Exploitation button to start the process. This will trigger the attack module and allow you to perform deeper penetration tests on the selected network. The console logs will update continuously, showing operations like loading modules, checking configurations, retrieving profile data, and analyzing privacy settings. The system uses specialized Wi-Fi hacking scripts to scan for any loopholes or vulnerabilities. The console might show complex coding lines as background operations process data. These include deauthentication attacks, brute force attempts, packet sniffing, and network discovery techniques, all designed to identify weaknesses. Even if it looks like a lot of complex coding, it's important to know that these lines represent what's happening in the background, and you don't need to understand every single detail. It's crucial that you don't interrupt the process. Avoid pressing back, closing the app, or switching to another task. This could cause the scan to stop prematurely. Let the process run fully and wait for the system to complete its analysis. As the exploitation process continues, you'll see the system updating progress. This is when the system compiles all the data gathered from testing the Wi-Fi network, including a report on vulnerabilities, weak spots in encryption, and potential attack vectors. Eventually, the final stage of data compilation will begin, and the console will display a progress indicator. Once everything has been processed, you'll see the View Detailed Report option appear. This report summarizes all the tests that were performed during the Wi-Fi exploitation process, breaking down vulnerabilities, weaknesses, and potential attack points found in your network. Here, you can see the Wi-Fi credentials, including the network name and the password key. Right below that, you'll also find a QR code. Now, to test these Wi-Fi credentials, simply open your phone's Wi-Fi settings, find and select the same network, then enter the password shown here. Tap on Connect, and within seconds, boom, you're successfully connected to the network. Alternatively, you can just scan the QR code for instant connection without typing anything.